Yoga everybody, I'm Ray Moses. So today I'm here to answer some of the most asked questions from you guys. I mean Q&A, something like that. And the first question is, how do you balance YouTube, work, and your everyday life? So as you already know, I'm a humanitarian filmmaker and photographer living in Uganda, and I do travel across Uganda taking photos and making videos or films for non-profit organization, and this is something that I completely love and I'm so much passionate about. So once we visit these amazing organizations and take their photos, film and document their stories. Hi guys, we are set for the interview. So she's coming and yeah, she will be looking like right here, not direct into the camera. It's so amazing in a way that you have to come back in the office and just do the editing, and once you're done editing, you deliver the work to the client. So that means I do work 5 to 9 job Monday to Friday, and it's just so nice. It's amazing. It's so good doing this, and it's something that I'm so passionate, and I can't explain how much I love doing. And for YouTube, I basically do my YouTube videos always over the weekends, and that is on Saturdays and Sundays whenever I'm free, and when I'm done with the client's work, that's when I do the YouTube videos. And it's a little bit challenging in the way that if you shoot, let me say, client work on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday you start editing, by the time you reach the weekend, you're already exhausted. You're like, oh, should I do this YouTube video? But for the love and passion that I have for YouTube and filmmaking, I'm like, man, I just need to hit that record button. I need to make videos for you guys to watch it. So for my everyday life, like over the weekend, Saturdays and Sunday, if I'm not shooting a YouTube video, I just go out and hang out with my friends and just go to a beautiful place. Let me say, go and just swim in a pool, or just watch the River Nile, or just move around the city and just have a nice time, like watching the birds, hang out with my friends in a place, and play some pool, watch some football, soccer of course. And it's just fun, just hanging out with my friends and just relaxing. So the second question is, do you have a dream job, or is YouTube gonna be your job? Seriously, speaking about that, I'm really not sure about it, because who knows what will happen tomorrow about YouTube. But for the meantime, I'm so much passionate about filmmaking and documenting stories for non-profit organization in Uganda and East Africa, and it's something that I love doing. And I'm not saying that I don't love doing YouTube videos. I'm so much passionate about it. I try so much to record a YouTube video so that I keep it up, so that I don't take so long without uploading on my channel. So with that said, I really don't know if YouTube is gonna stay tomorrow, and I really don't know, I don't know the future. But for the meantime, I love what I'm doing. I love filmmaking, I love taking photos for organization, and I love making YouTube videos. So for the meantime, I'm doing all the three and I love it. So the next question is, what's your favorite day of the week? So to me, my favorite day of the week is Sunday. So it's a day when I just wake up and go to church and pray to God, and after that I come back home and just relax and just do editings of my YouTube videos. It's actually on Sundays, that's when I edit my YouTube videos. And sometimes when I don't have like YouTube videos to edit, I just go out and hang out with my friends and just have some fun. Just have fun. Life is short. You need to have fun whenever possible. So the next question is, how does it feel being on YouTube for the first year? Oh, wow. This is a very beautiful question. I don't know how I can answer it. It feels so good. It feels so nice. It just feels so amazing being on YouTube for 1 year. And my first year on YouTube, I've been so busy with client works, doing documentaries and shooting videos and taking photos for organizations, and I really had small time to do YouTube videos. That's why I didn't really upload a lot of videos, but I hope this year I don't get so busy. I can't guarantee, but I hope I can upload more videos on the channel this year. But being on YouTube for the first year, it's been so impactful to me. It has made me realize what I can give to the people, to the amazing viewer, you guys. And it has made me realize that in life, everything is possible. You just need to start with what you have. You just need to start off. You don't need to wait for people's ideas. and you don't need to stay stagnant because of small things. Let me say you don't have this or this or this. Let me say a good example is that if you want to start up your YouTube channel, you don't need to stay stuck because you don't have the expensive gears. You can start off with your phone and boom, the rest will just be history. So I've been able to meet other YouTubers like Sarah Tuaris, Daisy Rillian, Hilary Vlogger, Michael Mwakibolwa. Man, your name is so hard. Amazing YouTubers like Dan Odeke, Ashan Evans. Man, what else can I say? It's just so nice to get to know that YouTube is giving me a big opportunity to meet other like-minded people whom we can share ideas and, see how best we can grow together. Kim Yuji, Cook with Dorothy. To mention but a few, like a lot of people out there. And also amazing photographers like Tommy Hartwell, very many people, Steve, like I can't mention all of them. But guys, thank you so much for the love. I love you so much. So the next question is, how does it feel making content and working out a full-time job? Man, it's hard. I will not lie about that. It's so hard, like to do both full-time job, a 5 to 9 job, and then you make YouTube videos. It's very hard to do both of them. But when you're just starting YouTube, it's very hard to rely on YouTube because it's not going to pay you. So you have to do a job. And just from that, doing a full-time job and then doing YouTube, I think it's fine. With me, I feel it is okay because you can survive when you're not working. And for the meantime, I feel it's fine, though it is tough, but it's fine. I just sacrifice the free times that I have over the weekends, and I just make content for you guys to watch. And that's how it has been. So the next question is, when are you going full-time on YouTube? Oh my goodness. Man, surely I don't know. Like, I don't know when I'll be going full-time on YouTube, and I don't know what holds. You can have your plan, but the Almighty Lord has better plans for you. So for the meantime, I'm just doing a full-time job, and I'm just making videos for organizations, and these videos are creating everlasting impacts in many Ugandans' lives in a way that the amazing organizations can fundraise money and sponsor children through school, and provide water, do like a lot of things. Like a lot of challenges are down here in Uganda, but the videos that we make are truly helping very many people out there, like to provide to the communities in Uganda. So it's something that I love, and I really don't know when I'll ever go full-time on YouTube. It's all left for God. And if you've watched this video up to now, could you please consider subscribing if you're new here to my channel? Click on the notification bell below to stay updated whenever I upload new content in relation to this. And for my lovely subscribers, man, thank you so much. I love you so much. I love you so much, my returning subscribers. I wouldn't reach this goal without you guys. You mean so much to me. Could you please consider liking and sharing this video, and comment down below and ask me what you would love me to answer in the next Q&A video. Thank you so much. So the next question is, what's your favorite Ugandan food / dish? I have a variety of Ugandan food that I love, and my favorite, I may say, it's kalo. It's like cassava flour and nyama choma. Like it's like goat roasted goat meat. It's something that I love so much, and I do love a variety of things, but for that, I really love it so much. So the next question is, what's your current favorite song? Did you guys mean like Ugandan music or internationally? Like Ugandan music, man, I have so many. I listen to so many different genre of music, like Kadongo Kamu. I listen to hip hop, reggae, like I listen to Afrobeat. Like it's crazy. Like I will not say I have any favorite, but my favorite artist is Eddie Kenzo. You guys can go and check him out. He's like a local musician here who is really popular in Uganda. Yeah. And internationally, like I love Hillsong, and I just love their music, and a couple of hip hop music like Lecrae and of course Tupac. Tupac can't miss in. So the next question is, what advice can you give us who want to start up our YouTube journey? The advice I can give you if you want to start up your YouTube journey is start right now. Start right now. There is no tomorrow. Today is today, and you need to start. If you wait for tomorrow, you're going to be discouraged along the way. Start right now. If you want to make YouTube videos, get that phone, get that camera. Let me say if you don't have the finances, just use your smartphone. Get the smartphone. Give someone to hold for you. Make an introductory video. I mean, speak about what you want to do on YouTube. Just start right now, and only the sky will be the limit. Because if you wait, you will never start. You're going to get a lot of challenges along the way. I mean, discouragement. You're going to, there's a lot of things that are going to happen. And you'll be like, at the end of it, you'll be like, I'm not going to pursue this journey. You look at it as if it's so hard. But if you start now and then do a lot of research, it's something that is so amazing. So start, do a lot of research. Keep posting videos week in, week out, keep the consistency, and only the sky will be the limit. So the advice I can give you, start right now, start with what you have. You don't have to have these fancy gadgets. You don't have to have this expensive lighting. You don't have to have this expensive microphone. You just need to start with what you have. You can start with the cheap microphone. I mean, the microphone in your phone. You can just record videos with your phone. And then edit using free software. So the software I use personally for editing my videos, the shorts, it's InShot. So it's an amazing software. You can use it to edit your full-length videos. You can use it to edit your Instagram videos. You can use it to edit your TikTok videos. So with time, when you master the skill set of filmmaking and editing and lighting and all these fancy things come in later. But for the meantime, start with what you have and then grow with that. Thank you guys so much for watching today's episode of my Q&A. I'm hoping to be dropping more Q&A episodes, and I hope you guys can ask me questions and more questions, and I'll just be recording, and it will help you guys to get to know more about me as I get to know more about you guys, like what you want for me to deliver in the next videos. And with that said, what video would you love for me to make next in my channel? Thank you so much. Love you. See you in the next video. Peace.